Please subscribe to my channel.
Australia is home to a diverse range of exotic birds, many of which are unique to the continent. There are over 800 bird species in Australia, with a significant portion of them being considered exotic due to their vibrant colors, unique features, or rarity. The one you are seeing in this video is Galah, a striking pink and gray parrot. Very common in Australia, often seen in flocks, foraging on the ground or in trees, and they are particularly fond of feeding in agricultural fields. They also have a strong preference for certain seeds found in their natural habitats, such as those of eucalyptus trees. In captivity, their diet can be supplemented with commercial parrot pellets, fresh fruits, and vegetables to ensure they get the right nutrients.